Good morning, guys. Did I just say good morning? This is afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to any vlog. Welcome to the channel. I have news for you people. Oh my god, guys, I am officially, drum roll. I am officially a student again. Yes, let me go back a bit here. I think this is better. The girl is back to school. I feel like I need an upgrade, but yeah, it's just a program basically, so I enrolled in that and that is where I'm dressed to go now. But first off, I'll make a quick stop at the bank because you've resumed school. Money and payments needs to be made regularly, and for some reason I cannot access my account, one of my accounts, so I need to get to the bank first, access the account and access the account, get it sorted out, and then head for my class. Hopefully I'm not late because I need to be there before 2 and it's already past 1. I don't know, I hope there will not be crowd in the bank by this time, but yeah, let's go. I promised you guys to show you the guys. Can you believe I was talking and my phone storage just got full? Thankfully I have a mirror in front of me. If not, I would have still been talking, not knowing that it's not recording. But I had to delete something real quick, but not enough space has been created. But I'll talk to you guys later. I just wanted to show you guys the full hair like I promised in the last vlog. This is the hair. I love it. For some reason packing it was difficult for me, but I mean I'll get a hold of it very soon. But yeah, this is it. I love the length so much. It's looking like it wants to rain, but yeah, let me head out real quick and I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go learn. Hey guys, I'm back. I missed my class for today. I missed my first day of school. Can you imagine that? But it's fine. I'll go tomorrow. I wasted a lot of time. Who's calling me? Hello? So as I was saying, I wasted a lot of time, but I don't even know if what I went has been resolved. They said I should check back in the next 2 hours. I don't even know if it's up to 2 hours, but anyways, I just filmed a video right now. I go back and I was like, let me not just waste it, let it not be that it's just bank wahala that I handled today. So I filmed the video. I'm sure you see the video before this vlog, or maybe it's this vlog for the video, I don't know, but I shall film the video. However I get to edit it, I would upload it. I hope you enjoy it. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Let me take off everything. Guys, I love my hair. Oh my gosh, as I came back, I just looked at myself in the mirror. I don't know how to explain it in English. Like the beauty of the hair just entered my eye. Okay, I feel like that's like I'm talking too much now, but guys, I love the hair, I love the length. I am so happy. Bye. Oh my god, guys, I was just cooking now and it just occurred to me that I now cook food in bigger quantities and I cook every day. I mean, there's a time when I don't used to cook every day, but now I cook every day and I cook in large quantities, and I realized that, oh, my boys are actually growing because now they eat. You know how sometimes you just, when you're eating with a child, it's almost like they don't eat much out of what they eat out of your food. You can't even consider it anything, right? But now you actually dish out food for them. So when you're prepping to cook, you actually add more. Do you get what I mean? If you used to make 4 cups of rice, now you have to make 5 or 6 depending on how long you want it to last. Anyways, I have this leftover tomato paste. This is how I store my tomato paste, because most times I don't finish using one because I use more of fresh tomatoes, and then this is from the last time I used fresh tomatoes. So I just rather tomato paste than steamed tomato. So I'll just put the remnants in a plate, pour, like, drizzle some oil, vegetable oil on it, and just put it in the freezer I think it can also stay in the fridge, but just to be on the safer side, I put it in the freezer. It's still a bit strong, but the oil you need to make it, whenever you bring it out, you can comfortably use it. I mean, this is a hack I used to do even when I was in school, when I did not even have freezer. I mean, I stayed in the school hostel at some point. So then I'll just drizzle oil on it and store it in my cupboard. And when I want to use it, though I don't allow it to stay for so long, but it still stays without getting bad. But now I just, after that, I still put it in the freezer. But yeah. Hey guys. This fun. Hey guys, up and about for today's class. Hopefully today I'm going to meet up. That one I'm sure. This is just a few minutes past 1. So I'm heading out right now. I just said let me sign up here and then I'll head out. So let's go. Yeah, let's go. Hey guys, I am back. Ignore the quality of this video. I'm filming my front camera. I got mangoes. I don't know if you can see it. And this will be my dinner for tonight. KD is a lover of mango. I thought I loved mangoes until I met Kaito. He loved this thing. It's so dark. I apologize for the darkness. Fake. Guys, it's corn season. These have been my best seasons of the year. Mango season and corn season, and they come out back to back. When mango is about going, corn will come out. So yeah. On my way back, I found one place where she roasts and cooks. Like, I saw this big pot on fire, and then by the side she's still roasting. I'm like, okay, you're out for business. I like it, you know. Oh my god, I don't know how people enjoy their mango with knife. That's not me. I like to dig in with my mouth and I enjoy it better. But when I use that knife and slicing, and I'm not going like that. I have assignments to do, but I might do it tomorrow in the morning because I'll go to class in the afternoon or maybe later in the night. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning, guys. Look who I'm taking a walk. That's Flower. Don't follow. Anyways, so his brother KD woke up with dry cough. Heavy rain fell last night, and just like that, from middle of the night he started coughing. But the cough is so dry. I wanted to wait until when I'm coming back from class I would buy medicine for him. Good morning. But I just thought no need to wait because you know how with cough syrup you're meant to take it 3 times a day. So let me go this morning. There's a pharmacy that is nearby the house. Let me just walk down and get cough syrup for him so I can take it this morning and take it 3 times a day consecutively. Hopefully it gives him relief. And I just thought to go with Nathan. He's always, once you open the door you want to go out, but I don't go out with him. And this walk is suiting him, eh? He's so happy. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Jared. Oh, that excitement that comes with satisfying your craving. Well, I'm yet to satisfy it, but I'm cooking. I am making I don't know if I should call it stew, but it's not stew, it's more like sauce, cabbage sauce. And by cabbage sauce, I don't mean substituting tomato with cabbage. No, I'm using fresh tomato and then I'll use fresh cabbage. I'll pour fresh cabbage. I'll add fresh cabbage into it. You know, so I'm not going to use tomato paste. It's basically everything fresh. Fresh tomato, fresh pepper, fresh ginger and garlic paste. What else? Yeah, then the cabbage. And instead of meat, I'm going to use fresh fish. That is ice fish. you know, just so that everything will be fresh and all. I made it one time a long time ago and I really liked it, and I've not had it since then. And recently I started craving it. Yesterday I told myself no, I had to get cabbage yesterday, but I'm making it today. But yeah, just in case you're hearing any noise, today is Sunday and I am by the window trying to get as much light as I can get. And it just made me remember the video that Chinyere Abang made, where she was talking about how landlords will be building house, landlords and engineers will be building houses, and they would make the kitchen window to be very small, as though it is a bathroom window. And I just realized that is how the size of my window is. It is so small. The only thing that makes me not sweat so much in this kitchen is because I have like so many doors. I have 2 doors connected to the kitchen, and most times I leave them open. I only closed one now. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see it, because I don't want the children to be distracted. They're eating in the parlor, because if this kitchen door is open, they'll just be coming inside here. But normally I leave both of them open. I have a door here that is connected to outside, but I don't leave it open because of flies. If you leave it open like this, flies will fall here. So that's why I don't really notice it. And then I have another door outside that one is always open, because I put nets, like this net door, I put it there. I don't want to put here because my generator is behind this door. I feel like it's risky because I always cook here. So if this door is open plus 4, I don't want to take that risk. But yeah, Nigerian landlords and engineers should do better. Kitchen window is supposed to be like double window, and it's supposed to be in the middle. This one is by the side, like it's so small. But anyways, let me make my sauce. Let me show you guys what we have going on. I'm just waiting for the fresh tomatoes to boil a bit. I didn't blend it to be too smooth. Rice is almost ready. It's currently 15 minutes past 2 p.m. I have not had anything today. This is my first meal because I really wanted to eat this. I wasn't craving any other thing, and I knew eating any other thing would be a waste. I will not enjoy it, you know. That satisfaction will not be there. The crunchiness is definitely there, and this is the taste that I vividly remember. But yeah, let me have this and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Let's wrap this particular one up. So unsubscribe to the channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. Very simple, very straightforward. You can switch it up, you know, you can add whatever you want to add to it. You can use a different kind of protein, you know. It's just very simple, something that you can mix up here and there. And tomorrow or next I'll be making proper stew. This is just sauce. It's not meant to like last for so long. It's just something that you do, and you know, you and your family will enjoy it. Just yourself, if you live alone, you know, just have it for like 1, 2 or 3 servings and it will finish. So I'll make proper stew tomorrow or next. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next vlog. Remember to always stay safe, okay, and be good. Bye guys.